Hey guys, we're back out here, and this is probably going to be my last tree climbing video for a little while. So I'm going to just throw some voiceover. This is a time lapse of me trimming down this gnarly fork here. If you wouldn't mind taking a moment to hit the like button or even do the hype button, I would really appreciate it. It really helps my channel and it helps me see where my videos end up. So if you wouldn't mind just hitting like, I sure would appreciate it. Thank you.